Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have something for the GoPro. It's actually a microphone that I got. So this is a pretty cheap microphone. It came in, looks like pretty cheap, and everything is shaking in there. So I don't know. There's no label. Well, there is one here. Alright, and this is how it came. Yeah, that's not very good presentation, but okay, it looks like it comes with the skeleton case there. Looks like two muffles. The GoPro little click adapter, the screw thing, and the mic. So this is the adapter to the GoPro, looks like. And then last but not least, the mic. So yeah, it's kind of cheaply boxed. Alright, so here's the mic. It actually looks pretty nice, surprisingly, because the price is very low. So, and it looks like it's stereo too, left and right. And it's gold plated connector, looks like also. Very interesting. That actually looks pretty nice. And here's the size of it, guys. It's not huge. I mean, it's definitely big, but it's not humongous. So this part plugs into the GoPro. Let's see, just like that. And then this plugs into here. Just like that. So that's pretty cool, guys. That definitely is a unique contraption, as you can see. So I guess you can really move this thing around if you wanted to. You could turn it like this and it'll pick up sound. Well, I guess it'll pick up from here and here more. And then you can turn it. Well, actually you can, there's a little pivot point right here in the middle where it pivots down, so that's kind of cool. So I guess the pivoting and the versatility here and there maybe is a good thing for, you know, different cameras and whatnot else. So because the cool thing is though, even though this is for GoPro technically, you could just unplug this and use it on anything else you want. Anyways, let's do some testing of the audio, so we can see if there's any difference. I guess I'm going to switch to the GoPro, and then we'll switch to this camera that I am right now, which is the G85 Panasonic. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me and see me pretty good. There should be enough light for this GoPro to pick me up. But in any case, right now I'm talking to the GoPro with just the internal mic, so that's how I sound out. This is the GoPro HERO 4 Silver, so it's actually pretty decent on voice already. It cuts out on a lot of the background noise. So anyways, so I'm about a foot and a half, maybe a foot away from the GoPro, so, and that's how it sounds. So now I'm going to put in this. Alright guys, so I got the microphone in there and I'm the same distance as I was earlier, and I wonder how you can hear me. So right now I just gotta point them my way, like horizontal like this. So it should sound pretty good, I think. So let's see if we can maybe use the G85 here to see how it'll sound on this. So because it does have a mic in here on the side. Alright guys, so all I gotta do is disconnect here and then just go to the mic input here, and that's it. And we got ourselves a microphone here on the G85. Let's hop over to the G85. Alright guys, so we are on the G85 and we got the microphone plugged in at the moment. So I'm gonna tap it. You should be able to hear that, I would think. It's plugged in and it's working. I'm gonna unplug it here in a little bit, and we'll see what the difference is between that and the internal mic of this G85. I'm actually pretty close to it, so now I'm about a foot and a half away, about a little more than the GoPro. So anyways, hopefully you can hear what that sounds like. Alright guys, so I switched to the internal, I unplugged it, so hopefully you can hear me pretty good still. The G85 internal mic is okay. It picks up more sound around. It sounds alright, I guess. So hopefully you can hear. So now I'm behind it pretty close like I was when I was behind it earlier. Anyways guys, hopefully you can hear the difference. I want to go ahead and try to put all this stuff here on and see what it all looks like, make sure it all fits. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. It's a little bit high, but I guess you could turn it down like this and still get pick up the sound. So. Or you can even do this and save even more space if you needed more space. But yeah, let's see if we can put these little muffs on here. Got one on here. Actually, maybe it even looks better with it because it's kind of a more of the just a normal look instead of trying to be all flashy with that silver. And I don't know, guys, that looks pretty darn good. Alright, so that's what that looks like. I mean, overall seems to be like a really good deal. So hopefully the sound sounds good too. I'm actually thinking about using this maybe instead of my other mics because this is definitely more convenient. Hopefully this can be useful. So not even just for the GoPro, but for the big camera here. So anyways, guys, so if you want to get a microphone like this, I'll leave a link in the description. And check out my other videos that I have on this channel. I do a lot of reviews and stuff like that. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.